And let's do it. Oh yeah, let's do it. Liz, help him. Oh, okay. Let's do it. Wow. Oh my day. Oh yeah. Well, we do it. Oh, time to me to save the. Oh no! Dying. I like dying. Well, what do we do? I don't know. IDs. Oh, somebody said juice. I'm on my way. I'm on the way. Okay. Wait, that's not my name, bruh. Like, what I don't understand, but I need he needs some juice. Please get it. He's also sick. Just he's I'm not gonna just do it. Just do it right. Can we have a juice, please? Blah, blah, blah. Thanks. Hey. Come here. Nanny, I don't understand, but I'm not saying. Oh, wait, your straw is gone, bruh. Why don't you look at it? You're not Sigma. You're not smart to see your straw. Well, come on. Wait. Oh no. Oh no. No. Wait. No. I must not give up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this. Look, hello. It's time for me to explode everyone. Oh yeah, let's do it, Sigmas. How you lost your mind? No, it's totally fun. No, you're so flipping bad. Oh dang, we must have power. Oh my, wow, no, we should. New guy. Hi guys, I'm finally here. Oh, you're not seem so Sigma. Oh my day, you killed the No, I didn't. You do. You do. Oh, I tried to tell him. Oh, this guy seemed not nice, but. Hi, Shifty. How club crackers? Oh, I like club crackers. Hey, I'm so Sigma. What should we do? Why are you here? Score. Holy cow! Oh no! It's not really that cry. Oh, what do we do? That gun must be good. No, you're so fast, but I am fast. Yeah, you like Cluster. Oh no, my too many abs. What a mess. We have to rid of them. We last to team and the lost whoever win, I win. You're dying. Oh my god. Oh my, you're so rude. Whoa. Why do we destroy the M? There must be friendly. Well, we should not everything, so we're Sigma, but you're not. But come on, why do we do? Well, okay, now. Oh, now you can do it. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my, not the intro of Teapot. Well, what should we do? Oh my! Oh, sorry. No, I'm so not so good. Oh no! Come on! I think it's a bread. Oh yeah, it must be the bread. Oh, that's so tasty. Yeah. You must be the bread. Really makes me angry. Then shoot us already. Okay, no, okay, okay. Okay. Dude, I don't know what to say. Oh, why? What a twibber.